Hey, what's up guys? So our topic for today is how to change your computer name. Okay, so first let's go to File Explorer. Right click this one, go to Properties, and we're here now. So click this Change Settings. In here you can click Change again. So I want to change this one to IT desktop, and then never mind this. If you're in a network or in a company, you'll have a domain here, but if you're only one, you can use just work group and hit OK. Oh, no space, sorry, no space, and hit OK. Just wait for it. You'll have to restart. So to apply these changes, hit OK, close to this one, and let's restart it. So as you can see, it changed to IT desktop, and let's wait for it. Okay, so let's check it, double check it. There you go. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.